I am Manoj. I am here presenting my project video on 5 days AI agents intensive program by Google X Kaggle. Here my topic is Gemini Interviewer. What is Gemini Interviewer actually? Nowadays, preparing for technical job interviews is stressful and candidates rarely get detailed information about their progress. Personalized feedback on their answers and their code. Gemini Interviewer solves this by providing an intelligent and adaptive platform through the Gemini. This Gemini Interviewer is built by the ADK multiple agent simulation platform like agent development kit by the Google to help the candidates for practice and analyze their skills and receive their tailored attempts of mm, their interview process. Let's move through the uh, architecture workflow. Here is the Gemini Interviewer workflow. How it will actually uh, does its work in this platform. Architecture diagram. The candidate enters their resume and target row uh, at the starting point. Through that, every input goes directly to the security event. If the security checkpoint, it will check for the if any sensitive information. Through that sensitive information will be scrubbed directly for the safe use for the agent or user. After the scrubbing, it will defaultly it will send to the interviewer orchestrator. What's the orchestrator means? It will multiple agents plus automatic work will be done through the this orchestrator. Here is the separate agents like resume analyzer, interview planner, coding evaluator, and feedback agent and roadmap agent. These agents will be are combined through the MCP server. This MCP server is an universal bridge. It will works. Mm, it will help to integrate and works through the in an multiple agent system. This architecture LLM agent delegates tasks to specialized sub-agents. These are the sub-agents. Actually, I mentioned resume analyzer, interview planner, and coding evaluator, feedback agent like this. Uh, Then the starting with the resume analyzer to parse skills, it will parse the what are the skill user has through the followed by it will sends to the interview planner to design difficulty level of questions and easy level of questions. Through the interview step, the orchestrator pauses using a request input mode. It will actually ask for the um, any question. What is his experience? What is what he does in this project? I will show that demo after, and then the through the after the human response, it will evaluate the user by feedback agent. Their questions are coding evaluator for technical coding problems will be asked from the agent. Mm, So the coding evaluator connects to the our local MCP server. It will runs through the uh, runs and it will predict the roadmap he need to follow. Through that roadmap, uh, user can get correct path. Through that path, he will succeed in his career. This is all about workflow diagram. Actually, I will show that workflow diagram in the agent. Here is the workflow diagram. It is actually during the interaction between the users and the agent. Here is the workflow will be shown. Here is the starting point. It will check for the security checkpoints. Initially, I said about it. Then the If the after the scrubbing of main important sensitive information, it will pass to the orchestrator agent. First, it will analyze the resume and plans the interview. Means planning the interview means it will ask for the questions for the users. Then what is the answer? It will what is the language proficiency, all the coding evaluation will be done. Then when the user will be asked for the feedback uh, for his answers, it will use the feedback by the agent. Through that feedback, roadmap also will be provided from the agent to improve his skills and his proficiency in the technical skills or behavior skills and coding problem skills. Here is the ADK request input. It will actually ask initially for users to give the information of the resume. Now I will move to the uh, coding part. Uh, Here I will show the coding parts liberally. Means here is the coding files. Here is the coding what agent is done. Here is the security some of the checkpoints. It will check for the requirements as I mentioned. Uh, it ADK multi agent it will check and MCP servers also it will check and the security points also security checkpoint will be also done. Then the agents CLI will be actually evaluates. Then the running process here is the running process. HTTP URL. It will through this URL we will redirect to the uh, browser. In that browser we will interact with the system. Here is the resume user given um, initially. As I mentioned, it will scrub the main information like phone number and email information. Then the resume will be analyzed. What is the target role? What is lack at that security that target role and his passions and all information will be summarized by the agent. Then it will also yeah what are the skills are missed in the uh, resume also it will separately points only that based on the mentioned information it will ask for the interview problems. Here is the problems what the agent asks behavior and technical question coding problems and all information will be here. Then the feedback also will be done by the asked by the user. Based on the feedback, it will evaluate the coding information. It will give the roadmap for the users. This is it. My project. Thanks for the giving this opportunity by 5 days AI agents intensive program. It helped a lot to me, and I will looking forward to input and integrate this information in upcoming projects in real world. Thank you.